Righteous on the beat.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Na and thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. You guys are gonna be juicing with me. Yes, so guys, this is a juice that I prepared and it's been like a couple months since I've juiced, and I want to really get back to it because it has so many benefits internally as well as externally for the skin. And guys, if you saw my video before on the ordinary glycolic acid, you know that I'm trying to clear up my skin and it is getting better. But I also want to introduce fruits and vegetables, which are full of antioxidants. Juicing also has weight loss benefits, also helps with your digestion. And this is actually really a great way to get your fruits and vegetables in. Let's try my juice. I made it last night and I'm gonna use this as a meal replacement. I'm trying to lose about 10 pounds, so this will definitely help with that. It's so good. Come and juice with me and see exactly what juice I made in this video. Come on.
And if you guys haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So I've washed and cut all my fruits and vegetables. I left a little bit of rind on some of the limes, and that's ginger. This is a list of all the fruits and vegetables that I used to make this juice. So the juicer that I'll be using today is called Miracle Ultra Matic. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. So I know you guys can't really see where my juice is going, but it's going into a glass pitcher that I got from IKEA right here. And I definitely recommend using a glass container versus using a plastic container because a glass container is much more healthier for you. So when I juice, I like to switch up the vegetables and fruits that I'm putting into the juicer, so that way it makes the juicing process way much smoother. As you guys can see, I cut everything up into small narrow pieces so that it can easily go through my juicer, so I won't have any issues. And as I mentioned before, juicing has so many health benefits. And here's a list of some of those benefits. Increase vitamins and minerals in your diet, potential weight loss, increase energy, decrease inflammation, protect against disease. Wow, juicing is so amazing. You guys can use organic fruits or vegetables or non-organic. I prefer organic because I love the fact knowing that I'm getting the most out of my juicing. So now my pitcher is full, so I'm going to remove some of the juice from the pitcher so that I can actually continue to juice. And I'm also going to remove some of the pulp from my juice because I don't like my juice to have too much fiber in it, but I do like to leave a little bit of fiber. This strainer is really handy when I'm doing this process. So beauties, I'm gonna stop talking for now and let you guys watch me juice. Now all the fruits and vegetables have been juiced. I'm going to get rid of some of this pulp. Like I said before, I don't like too much pulp in my juice. However, the pulp contains fiber and it's really good for you, so I do like to leave a little bit. So I'm going to use this wooden spoon and press the pulp to help release the juice that's remaining. As I mentioned earlier, I don't really like to remove all the pulp because pulp contains fiber and fiber is really good for you, and when you juice, you do remove a lot of the fiber content. And if you're someone that doesn't do well with too much fiber, this is a really great way to ensure that you remove most of it. Wow, look at that pulp. So I'm just getting some more out of my pitcher to just, get rid of some extra pulp and fiber, and also it contains carbohydrates, so the less carbohydrates the better, especially for weight loss. Juicing is so worth it, guys. I mean, definitely there's some cleanup time. Juicing takes about anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes in total with preparation and actually juicing. But it's so worth it. And if you include like the cleanup, another 10 to 15 minutes, but it's so worth it. So beauties, this is how the juice is looking inside the pitcher, all cleaned up. And this juice will probably last me anywhere from I'll drink 1 wine glass a day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.